Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can log out of Gmail on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen you want to open up your Gmail app. So on my home screen here I've got Google. Otherwise you can swipe up to go into the app screen and tap on the Google folder, then open up the Gmail app. In here, tap on your profile icon at the top, then tap on Manage Accounts on this device. In here, tap on the Gmail account that you want to remove. So for example, this one right here, tap on that, then tap on Remove Account, then tap on Remove Account. And now if you go back to Gmail, you can see there's still one more account I have logged into my Gmail. So again, I'm going to tap on Manage Accounts on this device, and then tap on the account, then tap on Remove Account, tap on Remove Account. Once you remove the account, then it will be logged out of Gmail. So here, if I now start the Gmail app, you can see it will ask me to sign in to my Gmail. And that's it. So that is how you can log out of Gmail on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.